Hi, this is Fleur Allen. This is just my profile at Wealthy Affiliate. As you can see, I'm an ambassador member at the moment. What that means is I'm in the top 25 members, and this is a community of I think around 1 million. It's 800. Anyway, that's not the purpose of this video. What I want to do is just a quick walk through Jaaxy, the keyword research tool. So here we go, just trying to make this as quick and easy to understand as possible. So as I've explained in this blog post, when you log into Jaaxy, this is my pro account. I do have a starter account, but I want to show you the differences. So that's why we're using my pro account. So basically when you log in for both levels, you have this search, which comes up with these 7 sub-menus. You have site rank. So these two are really the guts of why you want Jaaxy, which I'll explain more later. These are added bonuses, an affiliate program search. You can find other affiliate programs, or you can just promote Jaaxy as I do with affiliate links in your blog posts, in your reviews. And this is really super helpful, the bonus training videos that are included, and this is also included in the free starter level as well. But let's go back to search and just quickly explain these different submenus. So this is really why you want Jaaxy. So I'm going to just show you on make money online, a highly competitive keyword. So as I've explained in the blog, you enter here the phrase that you think people may search for what you talk about on your website. So I have one website which is in the make money online niche. I guess I like a challenge because it is a very challenging niche. And as you can see here, yes, it receives a lot of traffic, but it has a lot of competition. So the principle behind success in keywords is to look for keywords that have low competition. So here, let's just explain how you achieve that. So this is the competition. This is the average number of searches. This number. This is the visits to your website should you achieve first page rankings. This is an estimate. This is the quoted search results, the number of competing websites ranked in Google. So this is really, really super important, this figure. Keyword quality indicator, green is great, so always aim for that. And SEO, there's a score based on traffic and competition, so the higher the better, so the closer to 100 the better. And this is just if you want to search for a domain based on that keyword, which we're not really going to delve into much today. And then you've got suggested keywords down here, and also brainstorm, which is also up here, so I'll get to that in a moment. So what I generally do is put in a keyword. As soon as you see that it's highly competitive, you would probably then, it's a good idea to go to alphabet soup. And what this is simulating. So let's go make money online. And this is simulating you just going into Google and going make money online, and then just wait for it. And then adding A. So here is make money online at home. And then rather than you having to go A, B, you just move this along. So make money online B. So let's just go look for A. Making money at home, making money online. I can't make any money from making money online, but paying after I make money. Making money online ASAP. I'd be very wary of that. Make money online, etc. Making money online, affiliates make money. So let's just click that just as a... So very low traffic, but a QSR is great. I've been told that it's okay if it's super low because this is an estimation, but I'm aiming for traffic at around, average traffic around 50 to 100, just so I know I'm getting some potential traffic for my efforts, but that's personal choice. So, you know, you could spend quite a lot of time coming up with a lot of ideas here on Alphabet Soup. So let's go back here to our original search. So you can see the history. You can either click here or you can go back here. So make money online. And then I generally search by QSR. So here it's up to 100. So I'm interested in these ones which are 100 or less, but with lower traffic as well, so it's less competition. So I like the look of this one. It's great. It's 98. It's all looking good. And where was the other one? And make money online opportunity. So it's getting traffic, QSRs under 100, and everything else is looking good. So then what I do is I save it to a list, and I've got an existing list called Make Money Online. Ta-da! And then I've saved it to that list, and then you can view it and search within that list. So, but this is just a quick tour. So that's keywords, alphabet soup, saved lists. So just before we move on, you're aiming for traffic of 100, average searches of 100 or less, or quoted search results of definitely under 100. Now there's an argument that a lot of people say to aim for over 100, but you can build up to that. So if you're still getting average searches about 50, it's great to start somewhere. Like this one's 89, so I would give that a go. But it's also about test and measure, and I'll explain that in just a moment. Search history is just exactly that, what I've been searching for in my search history, which is quite handy. Search analysis, this is really cool. So let's just go to Make Money Online and see who's on number one there. So this is the high rankings for Make Money Online, and on the details you can check out information on their website, such as the word count for that post, which will include comments, links on the site, backlinks, Alexa ranking, and is it using AdSense. So some pretty cool deep information there. Let's just look at one more. News for Make Money Online. Let's check that out. Money not grow on trees. Interesting. Haven't seen that one before, so maybe that's new. Best ways to make money online. And there we are. Backlinks. Wow. That's probably why it's ranking so highly. So there you go. So some interesting information. Affiliate programs is let's just go Make Money Online. It's exactly that. Looking for affiliate programs based on a keyword for these different affiliate program banks, I guess you call them. So let's just search on this one just for the purposes of this video. And no records found, so probably not a good example. So I'm going to move on because I don't really want to dwell on it. Brainstorm is exactly that, and I already prepared one earlier. I created enter an idea and save it to your brainstorm queue. So I already created Make Money Online, and here again it's just another way to brainstorm, get new ideas. So let's just search by here and see if we've got anything new that we had before. Can I make money online? That's a lot of competition. Do you make money online? This one looks really cool. I like that. Easy way to make money online. I'd probably do a blog post saying, you still need to do the work, highlighting that it's not something that just happens overnight. And I'm just going to save those, seeing I've come across them. So that's really super quick, a tour of that. But this is why SiteRank is the big reason why I upgraded from the free level that I receive through my wealthy affiliate membership to pro level. So this is just not a good example because that one's actually not ranking at the moment. It's a brand new one I'm tracking. So you've just put keywords in here. Now this won't rank at all because I'm not chasing this keyword on this is one of my websites, and it's coming up no. But what the cool part, the difference between the starter account and pro is this will search the first 10 pages of Google, Bing and Yahoo, rather than the free level will search only first page. And to be brutally honest, you can do that. Doesn't really take much time. But the first 10, that like takes forever to establish, and you get that instantly. So I've plugged in a bunch. I've only been a pro member for a couple of weeks, so there's not much data yet. So I'm still learning. But on Google, I've now can see that these are ranking, and this one has only just turned up from not ranking to now being 4. So let's show what that means. So it's position 8. So this is what it's showing on Google. That's interesting. It was showing 4 before, so it must have gone down. And it shows exactly where it is there. So page 1, it's now position 8. It was number 4. Now I had some activity on that post earlier in the week, so it was obviously liking those extra comments and engagement. So I need to look at how I can keep that up, to keep it high up. And it's also good to see, you know, who your competitors are. So that's pretty cool. And that is so easy to find out just by a click of the button. So here, let's just search, and now it's updated it because I've searched it. So it was 4 before, and now I've searched again. It's just updated that it's shifted down. So this is really great information. So at the moment, I think it's about 25 keywords I've got in here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 that are ranking in the first 10 pages of Google. 4 in Yahoo and 4 in Bing. So this is really valuable information. So this one's gone up. So I need to look at what's going on there, what's working. This is in my personal blog post. And that was on Bing or something, I think. Yeah. Well, that's cool. Anyway, I've lost it where it was. Anyway. So a valuable tool. So that's the big reason why I upgraded, because really up until I could achieve this and see actually ranking in the first 10 pages, I was really stabbing in the dark, didn't really know if my keywords were working. So time is money, so this saves me an enormous amount of time, and also testing and measuring is super important, so I don't feel like I'm wasting my time anymore. I'm tracking my new posts, and the ones that are ranking better or newer posts. So this one, Monday Motivation, is a much newer post, so I did a lot more, had a better understanding of what to research that keyword. So that's pretty much it. So this is where you search the site ranking. So managing performance anxiety on whatever blog you've got it on. You then search it. If it's one I want to track, then I just click that I want to track it. I'm already tracking this one. And then you jump in here and see how it's going. So at the moment, it's going well on Google, and it's appearing on Yahoo and Bing. So that's something I can look at improving. So I think that's pretty much it that I want to share for just this quick walkthrough. I wouldn't say I'm the expert of keyword research, but this tool certainly is making me far more effective and successful in this area. So if you're starting out, it's great, but if you're experienced, it's also great too. I know a whole bunch of people that rave about it who are very experienced in all this kind of search engine optimization and site ranking. So if you've got any questions, just leave comments below on this post, and thanks for listening.